morning kids, how are you all? Today we will do a wonder time activity and activity name is cotton ball training. Let's start. We need cotton balls, one empty clear jar, one disposable plastic glass and one pin. And one glass of water. I added blue color in water. Okay. First, let's make hole in plastic glass. I already held this. And now we will set a glass here and put some cotton balls in glass. And wind is starting. Stop. Slow. Now it stopped. And let's start. Let's enjoy the wonder time activity at your home also. Bye bye.